Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Hippo Insurance, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the Hippo Insurance website URL. Press enter to navigate to the site. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Ensure that your caps lock key is off to avoid any typing errors. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. If you have entered your credentials correctly, click the Login button. Wait for the page to load. You should now be logged into your Hippo Insurance account. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password. Feel free to contact customer support for further assistance if needed. Explore your account dashboard for policy details and other options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.